Have you ever wondered what it's like to be an accountant or a chartered accountant? That's the question we're going to explore today, as we dive into the fascinating world of accountancy. Accountancy is a diverse field, one that is often misunderstood or oversimplified. It's about more than just crunching numbers and filing tax returns. It's a world of strategic planning, financial analysis, and business advising. In essence, accountants are the backbone of the business world, providing the financial insight and guidance that companies need to thrive. Now, within this world, there are different types of accountants, each with their own unique roles and responsibilities. There are general accountants, who handle a wide range of financial tasks, from preparing financial statements to ensuring compliance with tax laws. They are the jacks of all trades in the accounting world. Then there are auditors, who specialize in examining financial records to ensure they are accurate and comply with laws and regulations. Auditors are like detectives, searching for any discrepancies that could indicate financial mismanagement or fraud. Management accountants, on the other hand, focus more on strategic planning and financial analysis. They work within businesses to help them budget, monitor costs, and make financial decisions that will drive growth. And finally, there are chartered accountants, a globally recognized designation that represents the highest standards of ethical, professional, and technical expertise. Chartered accountants often hold leadership roles and are involved in high-level strategic decision-making. Of course, these are just some of the roles within the vast world of accountancy. Each type of accountant requires a different set of skills and knowledge, and they all play a crucial role in maintaining the financial health of businesses and individuals alike. So you see, accountancy isn't just about numbers, it's a dynamic and diverse field, one that offers a range of opportunities for those who are willing to take on the challenge. Whether you're interested in auditing, financial planning, tax laws, or strategic business advising, there's a place for you in the world of accountancy. Now let's delve deeper into what exactly these professionals do. So what exactly does an accountant do? Well, let's dive right into it. Picture an accountant as the financial backbone of a business. Their primary role is to keep track of a company's financial status, but it goes way beyond just number crunching. Firstly, accountants are responsible for bookkeeping. That's the systematic recording and organizing of financial transactions in a company. They make sure that every financial move is recorded accurately, from the smallest expense to the largest income. It's a bit like being a financial detective, piecing together the financial puzzle of a business. Then there's tax preparation. As much as we may not love it, taxes are an integral part of any business. Here, accountants take the lead in preparing and filing tax returns. They ensure that the business complies with the tax laws, takes advantage of any tax benefits, and avoids any costly mistakes. Imagine them as navigators, steering the company through the complex world of tax laws. But accountants aren't just about bookkeeping and taxes. They also play a crucial role in financial analysis and decision-making. They analyze financial data to understand the company's performance, identify trends, and make forecasts. This information is crucial in helping business leaders make informed decisions. Accountants also prepare financial reports, from income statements to balance sheets. These reports provide a snapshot of the company's financial health, helping stakeholders understand where the company stands financially. They may also be involved in auditing, which is the inspection of the company's financial statements to ensure accuracy and compliance with laws and regulations. Moreover, some accountants specialize in certain areas like cost accounting, management accounting, or forensic accounting, each with its unique responsibilities and skills. In essence, an accountant is a financial expert who ensures the financial health of a business. They are the financial guardians, watching over every financial move and guiding the business towards financial success. So, it's safe to say the role of an accountant is quite vital, wouldn't you agree? Now, you might be wondering, how does a chartered accountant fit into this picture? Well, let's dive into the world of chartered accountancy to answer that. In the grand scheme of things, chartered accountants are the elite force of the accounting world. They are the ones who dive deep into the financial affairs of a business, ensuring accuracy, legality, and efficiency. One of the primary functions of a chartered accountant is auditing. They examine the financial records of a company to ensure that they are accurate and adhere to both internal and external regulations. By doing so, they maintain the financial integrity of the organization, and in turn the trust of its shareholders and the general public. But a chartered accountant's role extends far beyond auditing. They are also responsible for financial reporting. They compile and present complex financial information in a format that's easy to understand, allowing stakeholders to make informed decisions. Whether it's about future investments or cost-cutting, a clear and comprehensive financial report is often the foundation of these decisions. But perhaps the most significant role of a chartered accountant is strategic planning. They are not just number crunchers, they use their expertise in finance and business to help shape the company's future. By analyzing financial data, they can identify opportunities for growth, potential risks, and areas for improvement. They can guide the company towards financial stability and success. It's important to note that a chartered accountant often holds a higher position than a regular accountant. This is because they have gone through rigorous training and examinations to earn the chartered status. They are not just proficient in numbers and laws, but also in strategic management and decision-making. In essence, a chartered accountant is a financial expert, an auditor, a strategist, and a decision-maker. Their job is far from being monotonous. Every day is a new challenge, a new problem to solve, a new opportunity to seize. A chartered accountant, therefore, plays a vital role in strategic decision-making and management within a company. They ensure that every financial step the company takes is a step towards success. So, how do these two roles compare? Let's dive into the world of accounting and explore the intricate differences between accountants and chartered accountants. While both roles are vital cogs in the machine of finance, they differ in some key areas. An accountant, for starters, is a broad term for anyone who works in the field of accounting. This could include jobs in auditing, public accounting, or management accounting. Accountants are responsible for maintaining financial records, assessing financial operations, and making suggestions for best practices. They are the warriors on the front lines, ensuring that the financial health of a business is in check. On the other hand, a chartered accountant is a specific type of accountant. They've undertaken additional training and examinations to earn their chartered status. This extra layer of certification comes with a heightened level of responsibility. Chartered accountants often oversee all financial affairs of a business, making strategic decisions that could have long-term implications. They are the generals in the financial battlefield, taking a broader view of the company's financial landscape. Now let's talk qualifications. To become an accountant, one typically needs a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. However, to become a chartered accountant, one must complete a postgraduate program in chartered accountancy and pass a series of rigorous exams. This is a testament to the higher level of expertise required for the chartered role. Career progression also differs between these roles. While an accountant can advance into senior roles over time, a chartered accountant often has a quicker path to leadership positions. This is due to their advanced knowledge and skill set, which can be incredibly valuable in strategic decision-making roles. In essence, while the roles of an accountant and a chartered accountant both revolve around the financial health of a business, the scope and responsibilities differ significantly. A chartered accountant, with their additional training and qualifications, often has more decision-making power and a broader scope of work. While both roles are crucial in a business, a chartered accountant often has a broader scope and more decision-making power. All right, let's talk numbers. How does the salary compare? In the fascinating world of accounting, salaries can vary greatly depending on your level of expertise, experience, and the country where you work. Let's take a journey across the globe, from Belgium to France, the USA, and Canada, comparing the salaries of accountants and chartered accountants. Starting off in Belgium, an accountant might earn an average annual salary of around 45,000 euros. In contrast, a chartered accountant could expect to earn significantly more, with an average salary of around 70,000 euros per year. Next, let's hop over to France. An accountant's average annual salary here is slightly higher than in Belgium, coming in at around 50,000 euros. But once again, chartered accountants out-earn their counterparts, pulling in an impressive average of around 80,000 euros annually. Crossing the Atlantic, we land in the USA. Here, the average annual salary for an accountant is approximately $60,000. Chartered accountants, however, command a heftier paycheck, with an average annual salary of around $90,000. Finally, let's head north to Canada. Accountants here earn an average annual salary of around 65,000 Canadian dollars, while chartered accountants earn an average of around 95,000 Canadian dollars per year. The salary comparison clearly illustrates that chartered accountants tend to earn more than accountants. This disparity can be attributed to the higher level of expertise and responsibility that comes with being a chartered accountant. However, it's also important to remember that salaries can fluctuate based on factors like location, industry, and years of experience. So if you're considering a career in accounting, it's certainly worth considering the potential financial rewards. But remember, it's not all about the money. Passion for the work, job satisfaction, and potential for growth are all equally important considerations. As you can see, the financial rewards can be significant, especially for chartered accountants. Every profession has its highs and lows. What about accountancy? Diving into the world of accountancy, whether as an accountant or a chartered accountant, comes with its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Let's discuss them. On the bright side, accountancy is a profession that's always in demand. Businesses of all sizes, across all sectors, need accountants. This translates into job security and a wide range of opportunities. You can work anywhere from small local firms to major multinational corporations. What's more, accountancy offers a clear progression path. Starting as a junior accountant, you can climb up the corporate ladder to senior roles or even become a partner in an accounting firm. For the ambitious, the sky's the limit. Additionally, the profession offers a good salary. As we've seen in our previous scene, accountants and chartered accountants are well compensated, especially in countries like Belgium, France, USA, and Canada. But let's flip the coin and look at the other side. The work can be challenging, and during peak times, such as the end of the fiscal year, you might find yourself working long hours to meet deadlines. Accountancy also requires continuous learning. Accounting standards and regulations can change, and it's your responsibility to stay updated. This means you might need to invest time and money in ongoing education. Another point to consider is that accountancy can sometimes be seen as a less creative profession. The job revolves around numbers, laws, and regulations. If you're someone who thrives on creativity and innovation, you might find the routine nature of the work less appealing. Lastly, the profession carries a high level of responsibility. Mistakes can have serious consequences for clients and can lead to legal ramifications. This can create a certain level of stress. Despite the challenges, many find the rewards of a career in accountancy to be well worth it. The job security, the opportunities for advancement, and the competitive salary often outweigh the drawbacks. It's a profession that offers a solid foundation for a rewarding career. Where might you find yourself working in these roles? As an accountant or chartered accountant, the world is your oyster when it comes to choosing your work environment. Let's explore some of the most common ones. First off, many accountants find their professional home in accounting firms. These establishments range from small local operations to massive, internationally recognized entities. Here, you could be handling the books for a variety of clients, from local businesses to multinational corporations. The diversity of work in these firms can be a great boon for those who thrive on variety and the opportunity to continually learn and grow. Next up, let's talk about fiduciaries. This is a more specialized area of finance where accountants act in a capacity of trust, managing the financial affairs or assets of individuals or corporations. This could mean anything from managing a trust fund to handling an estate to overseeing a corporation's financial operations. The responsibility is immense, but so too can be the satisfaction, and let's not forget, the earning potential. Not all accountants choose to work in firms or fiduciaries, though. Some prefer the stability and focus of in-house accounting for a single business. This could be a small startup needing its first accountant, a thriving mid-sized company, or even a Fortune 500 corporation. Here, your role is critical in ensuring the financial health of the company, providing strategic guidance, and ensuring compliance with laws and regulations. And let's not forget the realm of public service. Many accountants work for government agencies, helping to manage public funds and ensure fiscal responsibility. This work is crucial to the functioning of our society and can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Finally, for those with an entrepreneurial spirit, there's always the option to hang out your own shingle and start an accounting practice. This path allows for the greatest control over your work, but also requires a high level of dedication and business acumen. The field of accountancy offers a wide range of opportunities and environments to suit different preferences and career goals. So, what does it take to get into these roles? Well, the journey to becoming an accountant or chartered accountant usually begins with a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. This provides a solid foundation in financial principles, business practices, and economics. For those looking to become chartered accountants, you'll typically need to pass a series of rigorous exams and complete a certain amount of work experience. This varies by country, but in most cases it's a substantial commitment that requires dedication and discipline. In addition to formal education, both roles demand a strong understanding of business operations and excellent analytical skills. Attention to detail, a high level of integrity, and strong communication skills are also paramount. Professional development doesn't stop after you've earned your qualifications. The world of accountancy is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key to staying up to date and maintaining your edge. With the right education and dedication, a rewarding career in accountancy could be yours. Accountancy, a world of numbers, strategy, and decision-making. We delved into the roles of accountants and chartered accountants, their salaries across different countries, the upsides and downsides, and the possible work settings. We also touched on the educational paths to these professions. The differences are distinct, yet both roles share a common goal, guiding businesses towards success. Whether you choose to be an accountant or a chartered accountant, you're choosing a profession that's about more than just numbers. It's about guiding businesses to success.